at the moment. West Bengal BJP co-in-charge Amit Malviya has now tweeted and hit out at Mamata Banerjee for alleged poll code violation. He says that the West Bengal Health Department is operating ambulances with large posters of Mamata Banerjee, who herself is a candidate in the ongoing assembly elections. Now, he asks, will the Election Commission take note of this and several other posters across government properties? My colleague Suryagni Roy is joining me live on this. Suryagni, clearly this is a tit for tat as far as the BJP is concerned. The Trinamool first complained that the Prime Minister's photo was being used on vaccination documents. The EC acted on it and has asked for those photos, images, the name, message, everything to be removed. Now the BJP is saying that the West Bengal Health Department is using large posters of Mamata Banerjee, and that's a poll code violation too.
Well, absolutely. The exact word is a tit for tat. And, Amit Malviya, media in charge and social media in charge and, second in command of the of West Bengal's observation. He has tweeted this video wherein an ambulance has a photograph of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Now, what Malviya states is that he's alleging that this is a huge violation of MCC. Now, just a couple of days back, the Trinamool had objected to, Narendra Modi's images on the vaccine, on petrol pumps and everywhere. The Election Commission did react to it. Now, what needs to be seen is whether an official complaint is, registered with the EC by the BJP, and whether or not this is taken up by the Election Commission or not. This needs to be seen. And, what we do understand is that that both the parties will not back an inch when it comes to the elections. The Trinamool had massively objected to the posters and the images of the Prime Minister on the vaccine. Even yesterday, Mamata Banerjee stated that how can, Narendra Modi's image be on the vaccine injection? This was something that she attacked the Prime Minister with, and today it's the BJP who are attacking the Trinamool and precisely Mamata Banerjee, as they have tweeted this video of an ambulance.
It remains to be seen if the BJP officially goes to the Election Commission with a complaint regarding this. Suryagni, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Now, yesterday, Bollywood hot